today when we have Nimesh who joins us to help us out with what he's picking up in D-Street chatter. Nimesh, what's it?
Well, Nigel, after a big move last week, a day of consolidation, so to speak. Yeah. But again, the individual stocks are doing good. The broader markets have done well today. But from a flow perspective, it's quite muted and soft. So not much participation from larger institutions, and also the fact that there are so many large blocks which the supply is going to come. So that will attract a bit of capital as well. So that's overall. The sector which is consistently doing well is the PSUs, and now it looks like the focus is shifting from the defense names which have rallied pretty hard to lower end of the PSU stocks, like the small PSU banks, the small PSU across the board stocks are seeing a bit of traction now. So that is one space which might see a bit of a trading bounce in the days to come, the smaller PSU names. That's overall feedback. The other sector which has done well today is the rate sensitive. So autos have done well, especially the two-wheeler names, and so is the real estate stocks as well. So it looks like there's a bit of shift towards the rate sensitives, because anyway the sense is that at least there are two more rate cuts which are likely. So that space has done well today. But as I said, quite a day with even flows quite muted from larger distributions.
Okay, all right. Let's talk about individual stocks. Then, Nimesh, what are you picking up?
Well, I'll continue with the theme of large blocks, Nigel. So the first stock on my list is PB Fintech. Ever since the earnings and the con call, the stock has been under pressure. There is selling pressure from larger institutions because of valuation concerns. But now there is a strong buzz or an indication of a large block as well in PB Fintech. So that's the first name. Second stock is SRF. After a long time, some bit of buying seems to be back. And also I understand the selling pressure from a large FII seems to be largely over in SRF now. So that's the reason why that stock is buzzing in trade. Third, couple of auto names, which is Bajaj Auto and Hero MotoCorp. Both are buzzing in trade, and there are delivery-based buying in the two-wheeler auto stocks in today's market. So that explains the delivery-based buying in both those names today. The last one is Varun Beverages and Info Edge. Both are under pressure, but there is consistent selling on, especially on Varun Beverages in the last many days now, and that trend continues in Varun Beverages even in today's markets. Expect very high delivery volumes in Varun Beverages, and add to it, even Info Edge is selling a lot of selling pressure today from larger FIs.
All right, got that. Nimesh, thank you very much for all the action as always. Let's go across.